In Britain, we eat a staggering 38,000 tons of chips every week, and one of the most popular and healthy varieties is the oven chip. This factory in Holland makes oven chips, and not just a few either. It's one of the largest producers in the world. First of all, the potatoes need to be sorted by size. The boffins reckon that 8 centimeters is the length of the perfect chip. Potatoes which fall through this grid are rejected for being too small, and any that are too large to fall through this one suffer the same fate. In the world of the potato, size really does matter. Shaking has removed much of the soil on the potato's skin, and the rest is removed in a giant washing machine filled with 15,000 litres of salty water. The journey is over for any hollow spuds that float to the top. For the prime specimens which have made it this far, it's time to shed their skins. Half a ton of potatoes go into this tank at a time. First, steam is blown in. And then, as the hot potatoes are ejected, a blast of cold air causes the skins to burst. What remains is loose and can be easily removed. Any rotten potatoes trying to sneak through undetected are now removed by hand. After 20 minutes of processing, only the finest spuds remain, and here's what they've got to look forward to. Once they have been forced through the sharp grids at speeds of up to 60 miles an hour, a river of raw chips emerges. But even these have no guarantee of ever seeing an oven tray. There are still some tests left to come. It's down to size yet again. Any that are too small are blown away as they pass through a jet of air. The chips that have made the grade are on their way to the fryer, but they are being watched by a computer. It reads images at the rate of 1,000 per second and is on the lookout for any chips with black marks. After coming so far, a few unlucky chips fail at the final hurdle. At last, these chips have made it. Their future is secure. They're deep fried in tanks filled with sunflower oil. The 7-meter tanks can fry up to 10 tons of chips in just an hour. 3 minutes later, they emerge slightly golden, fried just enough to be finished off in a home oven. As they pass through these refrigerated rooms, the chips are cooled down and finally frozen at -20 degrees Celsius. So the next time you dip your perfectly formed 8-centimeter oven chip into some ketchup, just think of the adventure it has had and the ones it left behind.